Alright, so welcome to pbteck Prince, and in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can actually set public channels on your Dstv decoder. Okay, so I did a video earlier and many people are complaining that it doesn't work. It works, so make sure that you follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video to the end, and it works. So when I talk of public channels, I mean getting some FTA channels to watch on your Dstv decoder aside the Dstv channels. Okay, so you can watch these public channels whilst your package is also running. Okay, so all you got to do is to have the signal of those public channels that you wish to watch it on your Dstv decoder, whether MULTITV, MyTV Africa, or any other FTA channel that you want to watch it on your Dstv decoder. This tutorial is not about hacking Dstv channels or unlocking the channels. This is not hacking video. Okay, so with this installation, if you want to use your Dstv satellite dish to get the FTA channels or those public channels, all you got to do is to change the dish position to get those signals before you can connect the cable and then get the public channels on your decoder. Okay, but if you get a professional installer, or you can actually do it yourself, you can add another LNB on top of it and then connect the cable, extend the cable from the LNB to the decoder destination, meaning you're gonna have two cables, meaning you can't use dissect on a Dstv decoder. Dstv decoder doesn't allow dissect installation, so you can't combine two cables onto the Dstv decoder. So all you got to do, if you want to watch the FTA channels, just connecting the cable that is carrying the FTA signal and do likewise to the Dstv signal. Okay, so let's get to it. Pick up your remote and then look for the Dstv logo, which will take you to Dstv menu. Press on it. Okay, so when you come here, look for settings. All right, come down to satellite settings. Okay, and then come to additional network, not home network. All right, additional network, and here we have network 1, network 2, and another network option that you're gonna find over there. Okay, so the network 1 is the network which is carrying or holding the Dstv channel, so you have to ignore the first network and then come to either second network or third network. Select anyone that you want. Okay, so second network, and when you come here, we have enable network. Select yes to enable it, and then come down to the use NIT, have to be yes. Okay, the frequency, you have to add the frequency of that FTA channel that you wish to get, or you are having the signal over there. You can use the same Dstv satellite dish position to get those FTA channels. So if you are following this tutorial, don't think of your dish being at the same Dstv position and then getting the different FTA channels. It will never work. Okay, so come here, add the frequency. I have inserted a cable that is covering MULTITV signal. Okay, so this is the MULTITV frequency, which is 12525. So you add your frequency right there. If it's my TV, you do same 12525, and then you come down to the symbol rate, which is 30,000 right here. Come down to polarity vertical, so you do same for any FTA that you're gonna add. Okay, so come down here and then select scan this. Okay, so after the scanning, the channels will be below the Dstv radio channels. Okay, the Dstv radio channels is below the TV channel, so these FTA channels will be below the radio channel. So you need to scroll down to the last channel list before you're gonna find out that your channel have been successfully saved over there. Okay, so after scanning, all you got to do is to pick up your remote and then look for the buttons on it. 8080, press on 8080, 8080, 8080. Okay, 808 8080. Okay, so after tapping 8080, all you got to do is to press on the TV and then a grid mode. for the channel list to display on the screen. Okay, TV grid mode. So you're gonna scroll down to the last channel list and you're gonna find it over there. So if you have watched this video up to this far, all you got to do is to subscribe and hit the bell icon. You lose nothing by subscribing. All right, so these are the FTA channels that I just add. All these are part of the MULTITV channels. Okay, so let's select one and then see whether it's working or not. Okay, as you can see, we have Atinka TV working right here. You can pick another one. So it's gonna work even if you are using your package is still working. All you got to do is to have that FTA signal. So at the moment, if you want to watch your DSTV channels back, just remove the cable that is carrying your DSTV, the FTA signal, remove it, and then insert in the cable that is carrying the DSTV signal, and you're gonna get back your DSTV channel successfully. So there won't be any problem with your decoder. I'm not telling you to stop using DSTV. All right, thanks for watching. Bless.